Punapu Kurumjari, India Amadi Pakistan ki hengalakliba tension asida US ki President Donald Trump na intervene tawduna mediator oiduna leba ani ki marakta ceasefire tawnahan ki ngarang loinana Trump na tweet tawraduna announce tawki common sense amadi great intelligence na mai pakre haina India Amadi Pakistan agree Tounaruraba yanakre full and immediate ceasefire haina loinana masigi matangda ngarang date 10 gi nungtil gi pung 5 rom ta matamda India gi foreign secretary gi maikei dagi su press briefing tawduna announced Toki ceasefire.
The Director General of Military Operations of Pakistan called the Director General of Military Operations of India at 15:35 hours earlier this afternoon. It was agreed between them that both sides would stop all firing and military action on land and in the air and sea with effect from 1700 hours Indian Standard Time today. Instructions have been given on both sides to give effect to this understanding. The Directors General of Military Operations will talk again on the 12th of May at 1200 hours. Thank you.
Masida Hanbada Pakistan ki Director General of Military Operation ki maikei dagi India ki DG Military Operation da call tarokna ceasefire tawbagi wafam asi thamlakkibani hairi immediately 5 pm dagi ceasefire implement tawgadabani haina yanaki hairi war asi asum escalate tawkpana Pakistan ki fiwam ka haina sum sokchalakpana makoi conventional warfare tawba ngambagi upai leraktabana Pakistan makoi ki last option dirty game play tawba horaki nuclear ki dhap tawba horaki Pakistan ki Prime Minister Makoigi nuclear command body ga meeting tawgadori haibana chingba pausing thadoraki masigi tungda makoigi defense minister namu meeting adu tawroi sigi matangda haidna mu pungdoraki masida pung taruk taret ki gap lainaki masigi maraksida world gi media sing da su pau samdoraki Pakistan housing nuclear gi option thiba hogadori haibana chingba India Pakistan gi conflict nuclear war gi maikei da lakpa hore haibana chingba kaya phongnaraki masidagi America amadi European sing mi paiba yongnarakpadagi Donald Trump picture da laki loinana mangna pung kya changna negotiate tawna mediate tawbaga loinana ceasefire gi wafam asi yanaki laiba anina adubu masi yanakra matung ikui dana pung mari phawa phadringai midangi pung mapalom tabadagi Pakistan gi maikei digi ceasefire thugaiduna attack jatha bawrki maruina Jammu and Kashmir gi manungda artillery gunshots drone sing thajan bawrki hari CM Umar Abdullah Nasuk ceasefire thugaibagi matangda post hagalaki Barmer da red light alert Toki loinana atai tongan mafam kaya dasu ceasefire violation tawbagi paulaki Firozpur amadi Pathankot na chingma mafamda blackout su tawkhirami Pakistan gi Army General Asim Munir India amadi Pakistan gi santi pamdabagi mayek larab kudam ni hari masina takpadi magi pham kona bhonabada makoi gi leba pungchai chaigadori Pakistan gi irresponsible military makoi gi top leader na su khangde kari tawduno haiba makha taba lanmi sing na su men tade kari tawduno haiba war da drag tawnaba hotnaba mami tari masi matung dani Amuk Hnana Jammu and Kashmir gi mafam kaya amada ceasefire violation asi tarokpani hari Pakistan gi thodok adugi matung India gi foreign secretary amadi military officials singi oiba press briefing amuk tawduna foreign secretary gi statement thamki
the last few hours there have been repeated violations of the understanding arrived at earlier this evening between the Directors General of Military Operations of India and Pakistan. This is a breach of the understanding arrived at earlier today. The armed forces are giving an adequate and appropriate response to these violations, and we take very, very serious notice of these violations. We call upon Pakistan to take appropriate steps to address these violations and deal with the situation with seriousness and responsibility. The armed forces are maintaining a strong vigil on the situation. They have been given instructions to deal strongly with any instances of a repetition of the violations of the borders along the international border as well as the line of control. Thank you.
Pakistan gi thawong asi yanakhiba understanding adubu breach tawbani thugaibani aduna aikoi gi armed forces sing dasu masigi matik chaba appropriate action sing lokhanaba khangan kre haina thamki masigi violation asigi mayokta loinana masi yamna serious oina lawi haina su thamki aduna Pakistan masigi matangda appropriate steps sing lokhatuna masigi matangda khangalakpaga loinana serious oina responsibility lauduna masigi matangda deal tawna basu khanghali aikoi gi armed forces sing masida yamna kupna yengchinbaga loinana makha tana LOC amadi international border singda ceasefire asi violate tarokpa taragadi strong action launabagi instruction su pikre haiki aduna hojik makha taba update amungai minasi ngasigidi wafom kharasi thamjaraga video asi matang sida losinjage